Okay, since nagpalit tayo ng MICU, kailangan natin i-register. Ignition off. Tingnan natin kung ma-on natin. So, yes. Kailangan natin matanggal na itong immobilizer key. So, na-on natin. Yes. Ignition off. Follow lang natin itong procedure na to para ma-turn off natin yung immobilizer key. So on. Okay, so nawala na yung immobilizer key. Kanina nagbi-blink. So it means the registration has been completed. Ignition off. Okay, so try natin start. So completed na yung registration. Start na yung engine natin. Okay, so napalitan natin ang MICU. Park natin sa labas overnight. Then check natin kung hindi na madidiskarga yung baterya.